Hello guys, today we are going to see a project demonstration of a Fisherman Border Alert System. Basically, we know very well that fishermen have no boundaries. Boundaries are there, but the fishermen can't able to identify the boundaries. So for the purpose, we are designing this project. Actually, here in this setup, a DC motor was given, which is nothing but a propeller, fisherman's propeller, and a buzzer is there, which is the alert system for fishermen, and a GPS. All the components have been connected with the Arduino, and the Arduino was connected with the Zigbee network and a LCD display, which will display the information about the current latitude and longitude of the boat. So actually the concept of this project is, whenever the fisherman trying to escape from the border, it will give a warning. First thing is, it will give a warning. So after getting a warning, the fisherman should return from the border. If a fisherman is doing some kind of illegal thing, then he try to move out from the border. Then the second condition, the system will automatically disable the propeller, so that the fisherman can't able to move from the certain limit. And also, after cutting off that propeller, the information will be passed to the sea border police, so that the police can able to warn the fisherman who is trying to overlapping the borders. So this system is much helpful to the fishermen who was fishing in the border areas. So this is actually a project work which is done for your final year students. If you require these type of projects, you can contact us. Thank you. Thanks for watching.